Onshape configurations just got a whole lot easier to work with. Now when you're setting up configuration inputs, the default value is shown right next to each one. No more guessing what's active when you start. But the primary thing I really wanted to bring up was the ability to rename configured dimensions for clarity around different inputs that you see inside of Onshape. You can now give meaningful names to configured dimensions. So instead of seeing D1 at sketch 1, it can be renamed to something that makes more sense. So take a look at this. We're going to be in the constraint manager, and I can see width of case is actually being called out because we renamed it in the configuration inputs right here. You can also easily drag and drop configuration inputs to your desires, as well as collapse all of the inputs for very large configuration lists. Dragging and dropping of the actual order is also supported. Onshape configurations just became easier to read, organize, and use.